Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D text in Photoshop. So to start, just choose a resolution of 1920 by 1080 or just any resolution. It doesn't really have to be that. And now what you want to do is find your background. And once I have the background, I'm going to click on the text tool. So for example, I'm just going to choose impact and then I'm going to type my channel name. And then you can change the color here to whatever you want. So I'm just going to change it to red. Then once you've done that, you might want to make it a little bit bigger just by switching to this tool and then dragging it like this. Once you've done that, just find where the center is. Once you have the center, you can just click off right here and then right click on the text and then click new 3D extrusion from selected layer. And then that should create this right here. And so you can go here to choose which shape you want. There's a lot of different shapes to choose from. So I like this one, so I'm just going to choose this one here. And you can change the depth of it. And then once you've done that, you've got your 3D text. But if you want to add anything else to it, go back to layers and then go to FX here and then click on stroke. You can make this any color you want. So for example, make it green. So you can make this like an outline for the text and it'll look a little bit nicer. And then you can go over to here, drop shadow, and it should already have a nice shadow, but you can change it up a little bit if you want to. And then over here you can go over to texture and there are some textures to choose from. And then you can click OK. And then once you click OK, you're done with your 3D text. As you guys can see, I made this 3D text using the same technique, and it took me about 2 minutes to make. If you guys found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you check out the new Minecraft parody that I just posted. Also, I wasn't going to be that guy, but literally 1% of you guys are subscribed, so please subscribe.